Sambonani, welcome to Couch Coach, your coach on the couch, the best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for pressing the play button. Stadium Million 2, Mamelodi Sundowns 0. I think I've said this before, Guti. Sundowns, they like to put themselves under unnecessary pressure. They play well under that pressure. If you look at both halves, right? Sundowns were aggressive in the second half, but they were not aggressive in the first half. Started with a 4-3-3 or a 4-3-2-1. I'll show you what happened in the first half and in the second half. The aggressiveness, how they started in the second half, they should have done that in the first half. Get a goal, basic game pair. I think they were playing not to win. Even if they lost 1-0, they would have been okay, right? The second goal, that's when they started playing very well, Baba aggressive. I'll show you the difference. Let's start. But Tizokalang, the home team, right? This team, they are not good. In terms of combination play and whatnot. Most teams well in Africa, they are like that. They rely mostly on individual brilliance, right? I've been watching a game with Champions League. Most teams, they just rely on individual brilliance. Before I continue, please subscribe. It's free, mahala to subscribe. Let's go. This team, they wanted to play the ball behind the Sundowns defenders. That's all they wanted. Ball behind the defenders and then play a cross. Simple. It goes back, Lapaya, cross. Because they know Uguti, they have tall strikers. Now let's look at the goal. First minute. Cross. Phakathi inside. No pressure whatsoever for Sundowns. Basifaka under pressure. Asisibheke replay. Now let me take it back. Watch this. Now the ball gets played here. We are supposed to hold a line, a straight line. Straight ngisho nomuntu ofaka ama-specs mayangikhipha ama-specs uzobona ukuthi line high straight. Then again, I don't like players abamakho umuntu bese bayamiyekela instead of running with the player. Run with him. Umukwena uyamiyekela this guy. If you are a midfielder, you are not the person who's supposed to be holding a line. You are not. When ukwamela ugijima, remember ngithi I'm a CDM. Ngimumukwena la. There's defenders behind me or wherever there. I don't know what's happening. I don't know who is making a run there. So I'm supposed to go with this man because I don't know what line iguphi. As a midfielder, you are not supposed to start the line. I hope I am not the person who's supposed to start the line. The people bambe line, they are center backs. So Umukwena is not the person who's supposed to hold the line because the center backs are supposed to hold the line. The right back, you cannot be a mover wabantu. Sibamba kanjani line. Now he recognizes good. Hey, I can see everyone here. When you are the last person, when you are the last person, I'm the right back. I'm not supposed to see everyone. No, I'm only supposed to see the defender that's here, the center back that's here. The moment I see the two center backs and the left back, you are totally putting everyone on side. then we don't react quick enough. Bayenzani bayakora. One last clip of Istade kubonisa ukuthi abekho mnandi bona. I understand why they beat teams laphaya. It's because it's hot, it's humid, ne? And then they are a very strong team in terms of defending. If you look at their record, they don't concede a lot of goals. And they don't score a lot of goals. So la Masen Cartel banhlaba 1-0. Just like this. Benze so pa esayidini. Almost scored. Imagine had they scored this goal. Bekisikhathi ubani. Cabanga 2 bese bakore goal lose 2 game in 5 minutes. Just to go Sundowns match. They were not aggressive enough in the first half. There is no team that can stop Sundowns when they pass the ball. When they pass the ball, there is no team that can stop them. Because this team, they like to ball watch. If you go and watch the first game, they ball watch too much. I said Sundowns was playing a 4-3-3 or sometimes basically 4-3-2-1, right? I'm going to show you now. The problem is not the formation. Yeah? The formation is never a problem sometimes. The problem is the intention, and I'm going to show you the difference manje in the second half later on. The intention is Sundowns. In this clip, yeah, they were attacking with their fullbacks, especially first half. They were attacking with their fullbacks. So when they attack, okay, first look at Nunez. Uyakhala phakamisa izandla ukuthi I'm free, pass me the ball. Okay, sharp. Ball goes to the keeper. Defender goes, the ball goes back. Now, this is the 3. They were playing a flat 3, right? You would see Ushot, Allende covering the space when Umutau bega push it. You would see Umukwena covering this space when Umudiba are pushing. Remember, they were attacking with their fullbacks, Taku, yeah? Which for me is a problem because your fullbacks are not as creative as your attacking players, right? Space now balaba 2. I guess one needs to go. Okay, sharp. Sales is free. This is Umutiba. This is Umutau on the other side. They were attacking with their fullbacks. Sharp. Because it's a defender. He's not as creative as as an attacking player. That's why in the first half they were not creating a lot. I'll keep on showing you. Let me quickly show you why Ngiti, this team, ayikho mnandi, ayikho delicious, ne? And when I say ukuthi, when Sundowns plays the ball, ne, bayavuleka, they like to ball watch. They don't know where to pick, where to mark, right? Badlali 4-4-2, tingiqale la. Badlali 4-4-2. Now, remember Sundowns has how many players in the middle? 3, right? 1, 2, 3. This guy pushes. Who is free? Allende is free. Sales is free. Sharp. Uza kuphi? Uza la. Now, who is picking here? No one is picking. Okay, continue. Pa, da. Should have done better, Urenas. This team, when you keep on playing the ball, bayavuleka. 4-3-3, sometimes it's a 4-3-2-1. Now, it's a 4-3-3. Let me show you. Earlier, it was a 4-3-2-1. You had Usales, no Santos tucking in, not staying out wide as wingers. You have to keep the ball when you play against these teams because they don't know how to mark. By a presser, Mutiba is open here. Now look where Santos is. Look where Santos is. Sales ukuphi? Siyaphuma. They don't know how to bafethu. Then watch. Ukasiphasi muthu so bafethu. Ukasiphasi muthu so. We won. N1 ushebile bafethu. I'm gonna show you why ngithi Sundowns they were not aggressive. They were not playing to win the game. Yes. Watch here. Throw in Sundowns. Siyaphuma. Nice. Now let's go forward. Watch what happens. Sales, pasa nangu alende here. If you pass him the ball, then you can go attack. Watch what happens. We just want to keep the ball. We want to keep the ball. Even Noma join, even when they are joining, it's like it's okay. It's just say 1-0. It's okay. After they won that free kick, watch what happens. Watch what happens. There's nothing wrong. That's how we play. But we are not playing to go and score. That is the problem. Remember I said, seba changile beseba enzani besukui 4-3-3. Right? Sharp. Watch. Now, Pumile la. You see the wingers manje, right? Sego ama winger, akusase ama half 10. But imagine Ed Usales ala or Usantos ala. Imagine had Usales no Santos bala. It would have been easy for Mokoena to pass them the ball. And siya phambili siya 10. But because abekho ba play good. Maybe he could have played the ball there. But wenzani uphasi ibhola la. Balthatha. Holding a line engekho mfana kithi. Holding line esaliyong ukekana naye ufuna ukudlala. But that's how they play. Sizawuthini. Second half. I said ukuthi the difference here first half and second half it was intentional Sundowns. I'm going to show you why ngisho kanjalo. Let's start. Yes, they didn't score any goal, but you could see their intention. Sharp. Watch. This is Alende, this is Mokoena. They are the ones attacking. In the first half, you didn't see them boy two by attacker at once. That's the first thing we want. Okay, Manchester City goal. And in the second half, I'll show you how many numbers they had in the box. Look at Umuti. The intention of Sundowns in the first half. Look at how many players are here. Yes, this was not a handball, but how many players were attacking? 6 players. The intention was there. It's because the first half. Because one mistake, they got a red card, could have changed the team. If you try just put the team they are Abekomnand, right? For me, Abekomnand, but the intention you could see. I know a lot of you, Umuta Ugini is the best right back in Africa. For me, he's not. Let me show you why. Modern football, as a fullback, you need to defend, you need to attack. He is the best defensive right back we've ever had. The problem yake isn't as we saw. That's why, for me, he is not the best right back because decision making and passing yake must attacker. Aikomnandi is not delicious. It's very poor. Another clip is Sundowns being aggressive, playing nice, beautiful passing. Nice passing. Watch their intention. Alende Mokoena. Push forward. Go forward. Pa. Da. This guy got a touch there. If bekangalitintanga, yo Jehovah. Another one. Another example. Aggressive. Watch how many players are in the box. For me, Umutiba was supposed to shoot here, not pass. Look how many players are in the box. 5. The team lay in a 4. Aggressiveness. For me, Umuta was supposed to shoot here. Umutiba, I mean. He was supposed to trap people and then shoot. Because you can see, guys, every player knows. Every player can see someone offside or not. The player like we are born with the offside or not. And here you can see with no eye more offside. Why don't you shoot? Offside in Fanagit. Final clip bese ngiyayivala. Decision making. It is very important. Abekho mnandi siphumile. Ithi ngidlale and then uzoyibuyisela emuva. Bayalithatha ibhola. Decision making mfana kithi. Football it is simple. Football is simple. You have 5 against 3 here. There is no way masingambuza angeka singamshaya makangathi akambonanga umuntu lo eza la. Football is simple. It's 1 against 1 here, ne? But you have your teammate coming to assist you. Now it's 2 against 1. Why ufuna ukwenza izinto difficult udribula lo muntu lo? Why ungamniki uze ngapha bakunike? Simple mfana kithi. Yeah? Munike usafuna ukushaya step over. Munike. Look how bafethu. Bafethu. I know, but sizawuthini. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to join and become a member. Being a member costs 15 Rand, bafethu. Subscribing, it's mahala, it's free. Try it. Just press nje when uzobona ukuthi subscribing is mahala. Then again, ngiyabonga bafethu ne. Thank you for the messages, kuma comments, ngiyabonga, and thank you for watching.